Be showing you guys how you guys can get Roblox on your PC. So there's two types of Roblox on your PC. One's gonna be the browser version, the other is gonna be the one which you can download. So I'm gonna be showing you the both versions so you guys can access both version. Alright? So follow the step which I'm gonna be showing you. First version, you wanna go to roblox.com, which is the official website of Roblox. Once you go over here, you need to log in into your account. If you don't know how to log in into Roblox, we have made a video on that on our channel, how to guide. You can check that video out and log in into your Roblox account. Once you do that, basically you have done it, you just got Roblox. Now you can play whichever game you want over here, but it's gonna work on your browser. And the other version, you need to go to your Microsoft Store, alright? So I'm gonna go to my Microsoft Store over here. Once you go to your Microsoft Store, what you need to do is wait for some time until Microsoft Store opens up. And once you search, you wanna search for Roblox. Now once you search for Roblox, Roblox is going to be shown, and click on Roblox in order to enlarge it. Once you're over here, here's going to be the install button. So click on install and your Roblox will start to download and install. After it downloads and install, a play button is going to appear right over here. Once you see the play button, you can click on the play button and your Roblox will open up. Once your Roblox opens up, you need to click on login in order to log in into your Roblox account. Once you log in into your Roblox account, all the interface is going to be similar to your browser version. The difference is now the game is going to run on your PC. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can get Roblox on your PC.